single file.
No, you did not, because I just passed you.
Okay.
We tried.
No,
You guys, stop yelling at me. You guys are the one holding up traffic. If you want me to start breaking out citations, I will, because you're not supposed to. I'm not trying to be a jerk about it, but if you want to argue. Okay, but how come there was like 7 cars behind you guys?
Well, they should pass it. They should pass it.
There's not enough room. I know, I can't go the speed limit. You have to give way to them.
We are giving way to this. Look at the lane. What am I going to do? I can go out?
Single file. Single file.
Okay. That's what we yeah, get single file. So we go single file.
Sorry.
I just passed you guys, and there was at one point there was 3 abreast of that.
Okay,
don't ride 3 abreast back there.
Yeah.
Okay, so don't. I mean,
I know.
I can see what I see. I'm not trying to be a jerk about it. But we get calls all the time about it.
Yeah.
I don't want it to float you.
You know what?
We still up
I should be calling you all the time, all the guys that do things to us.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
That's the thing.
Absolutely.
I ride all.
And I know right over here in the breakdown lane is all that does is blow out your tires. So I understand that too, but
yeah,
you just gotta give way.
Yeah.
So
we did it in front.
Okay, that's all.
Yeah.
That's all.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Hey.
Thanks.
Thank you, sir.